fish you can get.
Tell them where to find you.
Covin Road corner.
Covin Road corner.
And just now, Abel Street corner. Big building.
Big deal.
Plenty fish.
So show them the fish. Show them the fish they can get. Wow, some big boys.
Baby man.
The babies, right?
Babies. Kingfish. Shark.
Where the shark? Let me see the shark.
Yeah, you remember you said 90% meat.
Right, so that's the bag. You put it inside like that.
Yeah. Must put some of that.
Yes.
Put some
the okra. Yeah. Okay.
That's right. Yeah. Nice one.
Star.
Yeah. Alright.
Star. Mashed potato there. Wow.
I was walking.
That is the vibe. Squid, what about you, man? Shots in a ante.
In chip ante?
Nah, the biggest one you got right now.
Hey, get her like gunman. You ever rock with a tongue man? Watch it. Killer. She say broke man. It's them she don't deal with. Only Jamaican make she body get wet. Killer. You ever rock with a boss before? Every weekend nails and you hear do for sure. You ask your man for money and he say, oh God, I ain't get paid yet. Where you order for? So you call Kino as you close the door. Backshot one time he tell you drop the four. When you look you see a big rifle on the floor. He hit you quite a money and he said that yo. So you went online and you buy a little dress. You and your best friend go on a little zest. 3 weeks later you're feeling upset. You know why you're feeling upset?
Why?
Oh God, now you're rocking with the boss, baby. Never know you would end up with Kino, baby. She don't keep it, maybe. Hope you don't end up in the court, baby.
Go on. And you say you like bosses, and you like polo, and you like horses, flashing on the dance, getting money and sauces, and you went white up and do your little courses, yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink savory. Every day.
Well done phone. I see well done phone spin.
Well. Blessed love. Good morning. Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful morning anywhere you are. You know, it's a wonderful morning here in Trinidad, St. George's, with Diego Martin. You know, and I'm here. So you know the fever, Trinidad, very nice, you know. And I'm here with the team, you know. I'm here with the team. Frank is here. Frank is here. And we have Squid.
General. What time? We outside.
Let's go.
Like wasaba lick girl in your panty. Let me get a peep girl in your panty.
Yeah, we have the general himself.
This is the man behind you.
That is the guy. So we're here in Trini, you know, we're in St. George, you know, to Diego Martin. So, you know,
So you think on Instagram now?
Yeah.
I call it St. George and call it French and
Yeah. Because his name Dan Diego Martin, right?
Yeah, Dan Diego Martin.
He's the one that they name it for.
Yeah,
Diego
George
Martin.
is just under the French and
Yes, guys, I can see from the previous video. It's very lovely here in Trini, you know. It's very nice, you know, wonderful experience. It's a bright morning, as you can see. The sun is shining. The sun is shining, and we're gonna go on the road and show you some more views on the outside, you know. So thank you so much, guys. Remember, I hope you smash that like button, put the thumbs up whenever you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, so out here in Trinidad, you know, what a wonderful adventure for me. Great experience and everything in this lovely neighborhood. You know, it's very peaceful and quiet, as I can see from the previous video. It is nice here, you know, so it's great, you know, to know other culture, you know, for me to get out, mix it up, you know, get to know other culture and thing here, you know. So this would be definitely, you know, off the bucket list for me. So I got so much on the bucket list and so much thing I could do on my bucket list. So it's a journey, you know. It's not about your destination in life, it's about the journey. So now I'm on the journey, you know. So I just left one destination and I'm here at another destination, but it's a part of my journey. I just want to give thanks to the Almighty, you know, give thanks, you know, for health and strength each and every day for this life experience here in this physical form, you know. So give thanks. So while we have this experience here, live it and live it good, you know. Yeah, so we'll live it, I will live it good, you know. So the people them here is very polite and very welcoming, you know. They welcome me so much, you know, showed me a lot of love, same way. So there's so much here to show and so much here to do, so we're gonna do so. So stay tuned. What's this, the shark?
Looks like there's an arm. There's an arm. No. These are family to take fish, but they are.
Wow.
Tuna? Alright, something to take fish. Family to take fish. Wow.
The barracuda.
What's this? What kind of fish is this?
The barracuda.
I forgot the name. My go tell you the correct name.
It's a fish.
You catch this?
Nah, my soul, they use goat and fish.
Wow.
Oh, this is a big fish.
A big fish.
What's the name of it?
Wow.
Awau.
We got some potato and chicken.
Wow.
Because you don't eat meat now.
Potato and wow. Yeah,
You want to go to?
I mean, I'm going to tell you, I stay on to the right.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, they say he's the big chef.
Yeah, that is chef.
Yeah.
That is chef on the block. He does make what you call it, fish and thing and sell and
Yeah.
food
Okay.
boxes and everything.
Because him taste the fish last night,
Yeah.
and him say it was bad. Ask him.
Yeah, you ready the Jamaican fish there?
How the fish was last night, right?
Good.
And he's a chef.
Ratings.
Yeah.
Yeah, now they know how to season the thing.
Yeah. So that means that this is gonna taste as good then.
I can not eat no. I can't stomach certain things.
Yeah. He mash it up.
Franco carry him out, tell him out again. Franco carry him out.
Tastes like a
You know what I mean?
commodity.
Last night again, come. Egg and bread again, me I go home again.
Guys, so we're gonna get something to cook that big fish. You know, awau, that's the name of it.
What is wow?
Awau.
What? Oh, it's a deep water crayfish. So,
What kind?
wow.
Wow. That's a big fish. I never eat a fish like that before. Guys, if I hear about a fish called wow,
You know he
shark.
eat shark for the first time day before?
Yeah, but I tasted.
The man tasting it, so the man afraid of him.
Yeah.
I say bacon shark is one of the biggest cuisines down here.
Yeah.
So tomorrow you go get the real thing.
Right. Different culture, different food, right? Hey, shark is the thing. Yeah.
So, you gotta get this all from my mother, okay?
Something a man will never say feeling shark.
What kind of
You
fish?
understand?
What kind of soil?
If you talking shark, do say feeling, it's bad.
Oh, it's on bad.
It's so bad.
One bone.
From the time you're cutting up a shark, you're taking out that bone. So a man
Says-
can say feeling
says spear meat.
with bone about it. You understand? So you go feel it as you cut it,
Yeah.
taking it by the tail and you're slicing it down.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Says spear meat. Yeah.
After 4 months.
So guys, we're gonna cook that big fish today. So we're gonna go on the road and get some ingredients to cook it, you know. So I'm gonna try this big fish. You know. Wow.
Mike?
I don't know if I get the name right. I'm gonna consider if I get it right. Awa. You know me. It's me already, so we're gonna try to get that name right. I think. So it's Kino Life in Jamaica. It's Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life.
Yeah, in Jamaica.
You don't know going on, you know who it is. You don't know, you hear the voice, you don't know it's Miss Grippy with the good grip. It's getting hot in here. Only lady just take off her clothes and bend in her back shot. Respect the general.
Yeah, so we're here with one of the Trinidad top artists, the musical artists, you know, Zaki. So tell them how many hits you got out there, like, what's the name of the music, what they can find it.
I got one named Pink Panther, that's my biggest song right now. Pink Panther, you coming on the toes.
Yeah.
Miss Grippy with the good grip. Batman, what to do, lose weight.
Okay.
That's just some name a couple of them.
Zaki, give them the spelling of the name.
Yeah, S-A-C-K-I-E, the artist.
Yes.
S-A-C-K-I-E.
And they can find you on social media, same name.
Saki the artist, yeah.
Saki the artist.
All social media platforms.
All social media, so guys, so check it out and you'll see the blue tick. You know it's official.
Bend your back.
Bend your back, ladies. Yes. If you're too old and you can walk with a stick, it's okay. Still try bend your back. Big up, guys. Yeah, man. And that's Trinidad finest. Yeah, man. Here in the community. Saki himself. Yes, guys, so we're going to head out now and hit the road. You know, we're going to hit the road now and get some ingredients for the chef to go and cook that big fish. I forgot the name already. You know, help me out. Put the name in the comment section. Have you ever tried that fish before? Just let me know. You know, I never. You know, I'm a man I used to the parrot, snapper, the doctor, you know, the butter. You know, but never had shark before, never have wawa, akawa, ushawa, wishawa. And I forgot the usha. You know, the big fish, you know. That fish look like a big rifle.
Baba coming in.
Baba? Yeah, you're gonna get a haircut?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's the walking barber.
Yeah, man, he's right up the street.
Mobile. Yeah. Big up Baba.
He's the straight there. He's the Jamaican brethren.
Yeah, man.
You're on YouTube, eh?
I know, man. Yeah.
Hey!
He's the walking barber.
Is that real chicken or not?
Yeah, you realize
But I don't go Jamaica and I don't switch it up.
Let me hear your accent.
A normal man. We are Trinidad style we are dealing with here right now.
Normal. It's all normal, man. It's all
Me
normal.
say, come and get the latest cuts, man.
So he's the walking barber. You can phone him and walk come right to you. Anywhere in Trinidad.
Pedestrian
Don't know.
Pedestrian cut.
You don't know the code.
Alright, only walking barber. Yeah, man, he's mobile, so you can find him anywhere. Just call him and you're right at your doorstep. You know?
Nah, man, you have on a Hawaiian shirt. You look tropical.
Yeah, Caribbean.
You only see that right now. You don't find your stuff.
Yeah, you gonna say you're gonna get the best of the best.
Yeah.
Clean on that, you man.
Yeah, man, well clean, man.
Stream
Yeah?
from YouTube.
I come with my machine too.
Of course.
Test them Jamaica barber.
Of course. One phone call away to get the haircut.
Yeah, I tried.
It's too bad I get a haircut already, otherwise I would have. Yeah? Alright then. How was it?
Machine everything.
Yeah? How was it? Good? You going to Jamaica soon?
Yeah, I will come by.
Never.
Never. Come by, but I don't want to.
You will like it, man. You will like it.
I know that.
You will love it.
Them top.
Yeah, you will love it, man.
I will love it. I might end up.
Yeah, man. You also need to visit as well, man. Jamaica. You ever visit yet? No, you ever been to Jamaica before?
No. It's nice, man.
Barbados.
It's a hot spring and thing, you know.
Yeah, you need to visit, man. You will like it.
But if I tell you, I have a ticket on my phone expired to go to Jamaica.
How you doing?
It's good.
With all the hotel and everything.
What? How you don't go? Hey, you're missing out.
Yeah.
All inclusive, you're missing out, man. Resort.
It's really Pegasus, is the big hotel over there.
Where's the big hotel over there? Which one?
I want to go Panama, boy. I just want to go through Panama. No, but I just want to go through the sea all the place.
Well, go ahead.
Saki, I want to go all over the place.
Alright.
That is my dream. Some people dream of house and thing.
Yeah.
House and thing don't do nothing for me. That's day. But children and them go get that. And wherever. I don't study that. I talk about me.
You want to visit the
I
world?
want to visit the world. That is my biggest dream.
Yes.
I'm telling you, Africa, Australia, these kind of places, yeah, like me.
You just need to start it.
Yeah.
Start off first with Jamaica. The first one.
I was waiting for that year to up contract to up.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, good to go, man.
And one thing I always say too, that's how to make money. One thing I want to be a manager. I want to manage people too.
Yeah. Music?
Yeah, music. I love music.
Yeah.
I love music.
Them pay 1,500.
Yeah.
From Sunday till Tuesday. No money. 2,000 for ticket. It's like 500 people.
And it's freestyle session.
Of course you're in trouble. You end up in the circle and you just stand up bubble. Of course you're hot. You jiggle on the bend on the. Hey, that's
Are you ready again?
I'm a freestyle thing.
Yeah.
Taki, write down something first now. Don't embarrass me. This for the
Yeah,
customer.
Yeah.
My girl, where you on it, you go down on it, or where you hold it like a mic and perform on it, not better than a throat, you do over it, sip it right out of me, like your name come it, Kermit, yeah, like your name come it, like you're born to young girl, you do hard fun.
Okay, no, but they not so come on.
I ain't sing that thing so long now. Yeah. I rusty too now.
Alright, so what about the hit song you have, your biggest number one? How that one go?
That one go, Shania the Canalia ball. Shania the Canalia ball. Two of them pull up by the mall. Humpty Dumpty sit on one ball. Suck two pill like a Panadol. I pay the sleep like Tylenol. 200 the sun, 200 that. Yeah, push on, okay, with 200 back. Shut. I know you like that. The machine.
That is the vibe. Squid, what about you, man? Shots in our ante.
In chip auntie?
No, the biggest one you got right now.
Hey, get her like gunman. You ever rock with a tongue, man? Watch it. Killer. She say broke man. It's them she don't deal with. Only Jamaican make she body get wet. Killer.
But
You ever rock with a boss before? Every weekend nails and you hear do for sure. You ask your man for money and he say, oh God, I ain't get paid yet. Where you what that for? So you call Kino as you close the door. Back shot one time, he tell you drop the four. When you look, you see a big rifle on the floor. He hit you quite a money and he said, that yo. So you went online and you bought a little dress. You and your best friend go on a little zest. 3 weeks later, you're feeling upset. You know why you're feeling upset?
Why?
Oh God, now you're rocking with the boss, baby. Never know you would end up with Kino, baby. She don't touch it or keep it, maybe. Hope you don't end up in the court, baby.
go on. And you say you like bosses, and you like polo, and you like horses, splashing on the dance, getting money and sauces, and you went white up and do your little courses.
Yeah. That is the vibes here. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. They got talent, you know. Vibes. YouTube.
You get ready?
Like sardine and that.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go get some ingredients to cook that fish.
Frank. It's good to get Frank money, huh? Frank, you have money?
No, I've got money, I got it.
How? Alright, just give it away. Nah, I ain't watching that one.
the highways lock off on a Sunday?
Yeah, on a Sunday, from 9 in the morning till about 11 somewhere there.
Why they close it off?
People
to exercise.
People that need the
Oh,
ship to exercise.
for exercise.
Bike riding, running, skateboarding, anything you want to do.
It's like we recently opened for people that.
Okay.
All here was land and people used to live in between.
Oh, wow.
So they get back in the community and then 2 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah. Okay.
Test route on the side of that bad.
Where? Over here?
On the side where we now passing.
Yeah.
By Daybreak.
Yeah.
On the left where we now turn to come there.
Yeah.
On the left of that you walk up some more. Test route here again.
Oh.
Good. You want the back road or
So what about that place that you see the fruits there?
Guys, so they said this is one of the worst roads here in Trinidad. But it's only the water, right? Is the problem. Look, but it still look good to me to the worst road. Imagine this. What? Okay, poor road management. Okay, to the water. Look at Jamie. Nice old road here as well.
yeah, down the back here.
Oh, I think I road like that.
Typical Trinidad, you can just see that.
Yeah.
Was able to do the party.
Very private, that's why, right? It's a private road. So okay, and the government should be fixing it.
Wasa come and get up and lay pipes.
Yeah.
When Wasa supposed to come and see about it.
Well, what's the result? Them just get paid to dig up and fix. Them don't get paid to feed.
But even though the road is like this, yeah.
The whole department thing there, this department done. Instead of just do it and get it done.
Yeah.
There your car mash up and then charge you for
And charge you for your car.
Tell your car it's fit for the roads. But you mash up your car.
So this they say is the worst road, and this road looks so good same way for the worst road. It still look good. Okay, if you said this is the worst road, you wouldn't want to see the worst road in Jamaica.
Serious. Why you want to see something worse road in Manzalena? Where we going? Where we going?
Yeah.
See it. Still have a performance.
Good.
On two different sides of the car.
name of this road?
Next way going into
Majuba Cross. Majuba Cross. So guys, I tell you.
You go by the man, you feel the man up there, be up once, yeah?
It's the Majuba Cross. That's where the rich lives.
Yeah, we have a lot of rich areas, residential areas.
A lot.
If I was to walk up in one of them areas, they might call the police because I look suspicious.
Oh, okay.
My attire don't suit to be in their area and they never see me there before.
Oh.
So you know who is this young man? He coming to do something out of the way. You understand? They have a lot of those things around in this side.
We want to show them type of place as well too, man. You know, because I don't know why they make it look like, say, Trinidad is only for bad things. And, you know?
We are good places, man. Once you stay in your line,
the same thing they do for Jamaica as well. They make it look like it's that bad.
Or you
Anyone
still
place.
kind up in Basin and they're going up Basin. Higher up at the end from here. Right, where the nice river is. One of our main attraction in Digo. You will see a lot of residential houses. Police espacio. One of the oldest police things.
How much are the bananas?
You want to get some bananas? Man?
Want something to munch. Oh, them bananas look like the greenhouse one.
You want that?
Like the greenhouse bananas.
Yeah, what is it like?
Original, is that the original banana?
I think no, I don't give you two when we're going on there at the end. You're going to see.
Those are the foreign bananas.
You can let him see the two. Yeah, the spray.
Yeah, the spray.
Yeah, majority of them is. Yeah. That way you're getting down here. That way you're getting to buy.
Okay, yeah, I want the original ones, man.
You want original?
Yeah,
sticky and them small things.
Yeah, even the small ones, then, right? What's that, housing? People live up there?
Yeah, residential. You pay to live there.
Some nice side.
Plenty.
If I get a Manning Street and these places.
Look how simple this one is in front of us here across on the highway. Straight.
Oh, that one.
Simple. All those people do and everything.
All of this is residential area. All of this.
The famous Blue Ridge.
Correct this Blue Ridge. You see the sign there?
Blue Ridge.
Yeah. Big residential areas in the back there. The back there's some nice houses.
We can't drive in it just so.
It's like a gated community, right?
It is gated.
Yeah. Because we got loads of that as well.
You have to have a reason for being there.
Yeah. We have a lot of that in Jamaica, the gated community. Yeah. We have a lot of that as well.
If I another official, I think the chance and go through the might not make up.
All here is gated.
Yeah, all here, watch it.
All of this is gated.
Yeah, all of this
here is Blue Ridge, it's part of Blue Ridge.
No, but the block here, from here, watch it. See? Get it. Gate.
Yeah, okay.
Well, like Blue Ridge, rich people jump. See the gate open right now too?
Yeah. The gate is right just off the main.
Sometimes the gates and them is be open. No, lock it up, right?
Yeah, man, you guys need to try and visit Jamaica so you can see, you know?
Savannah Villas across here.
I want to go to Jamaica for
On the left.
Yeah. This one.
Real places. All over. A little higher up on your left, you'll see our next villas coming up here again. A lot of people investing money and do this so that they have a life.
St. Lucia Garden.
Some people renting from them, paying how much X amount of money, thousands one come, and they living comfortable. They buy a piece of land, countryside, living comfortable.
People living comfy, man.
You gotta get a hand so I'm cut it, boy.
People living good here, boy.
I know that. I think we should go at
Community Savannah.
Over here.
They go market.
If you're going on, you gotta slow down and get a little bit of the complex.
Look like we're gonna get some rain.
Wassa complex here. Major distribution of water
over here.
Take a picture.
Hindus.
The Hindu temple.
Yeah.
That's the monkey, right?
Yeah.
Is he named Hanuman or something, sir?
You know, I can't.
Forget his guys.
It's the bus terminal.
Oh, this is the bus terminal, right?
Buses.
Turning point where vehicles turn and your drops.
But why don't you look like it's a through a lot of trees and everything and the hills?
Yeah.
Right at the countryside.
Yeah,
you know?
Countryside.
But the town countryside.
More town inside.
Yeah, more town.
Sports complex.
Even outside, but inside, alright.
Recently built.
This one recently built.
Recently built.
This is big. This is not the one that me and Squid drive past, no?
Yeah.
What's that?
No, the stadium.
No. Or the stadium, yeah, the stadium. And this one is recently built.
Yeah, this one recently.
Football.
Yeah, football, cricket. They're really building for cricket.
Oh,
but football over dominate anything. But
Diego Martin Sports Complex.
It's a sports complex in the back here. Diego Martin Sports Complex. You see cricket, football.
Yeah.
Right now in the back here it have a gym. You understand?
Oh.
You go, you can exercise and things.
Yeah.
Inside here is Diego Martin.
boss.
You're not going up in Baggy, right, to cut?
Cut we have a place up in Baggy to cut?
We
don't pass them on there. If you have Muslim and they want to open, who Muslim be? But you check on place up, they have a source.
Yeah, higher up.
Wait. Bye-bye. 70.
Guys, this place, Trinidad is very nice. Trust me. If you haven't visited, boy, you need to visit, you know? You need to check out the Caribbean. For sure.
That one there, you have to pay 1,000.
I'm from Jamaica.
Now he go pay 40 like you. When you see them two there?
Yeah.
$1,000.
And me $40?
Yeah, $40.
$40.
He $40. One more.
Yeah.
You see this fella here? $40. You see that one?
Yeah.
1,000. This one, I will take 600.
So you're the fishman?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Martin.
Martin. I'm a vlogger. YouTuber.
So right now you're...
Yeah, so right now we have big up yourself on the YouTube.
Welcome to Trinidad. Best fish you can get.
Tell them where to find you.
Covin Road corner.
Covin Road corner.
And just now, Abel Street corner. Big building.
Big deal.
Plenty fish.
So show them the fish. Show them the fish they can get. Wow, some big boys.
Baby man.
The babies, right?
Babies. Kingfish. Shark.
Where the shark? Let me see the shark.
Yeah, you remember you said 90% meat. Surely bone in the middle.
Oh,
see that bone in the middle?
One bone.
Right, that one bone.
Shark. Bacon shark.
Yeah,
what's this?
Amberjack. Oh, hold it.
Amberjack.
They're just peace.
Oh. There's big fish here in Trinidad. I
Big
noticed.
fish. If they come here and say I get big snapper, 13 pound, 15 pound.
Oh, you selling them King Martin?
50.
50.
50.
You know, day before yesterday was the first time I taste shark meat. Well, I tasted, I never eat it. Just a taste. You know, my first time.
You like it?
Yeah. So.
Will I buy some for you?
Yeah, we're gonna try some. But we're gonna do that one today.
Kingfish, but let you buy some shark for you.
Of course, we're gonna get some shark.
Yeah, that fella there you can buy.
Oh, him. Oh,
I'm the man.
He's the man.
That's it.
He's the man.
You see?
No boy.
Second, right?
Yeah.
Second play, and next person saying, yeah.
What? He's younger than them, but that's the man. He don't play.
He don't play.
No, he don't play. When he wants something,
yeah.
I love him for that. You know, that's my nephew. When he wants something, he don't give a price. Bye.
Oh, is your nephew?
Yeah, that's my nephew.
Okay.
I can cut the ass. Father money ain't saying a word. He can you cut ass, he father money ain't saying a word. He can you cut ass, but I know what you look like you gonna beat me.
I'm the last one to do that. I am the last one. I'm not gonna do that.
I'm gonna deal with that for you.
So all I'm for will come back.
And he China is my China.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's one of the bring shit.
He daughter is my China.
Okay.
He have no say there. I have to say.
You have to say.
Yeah. And the wife, his wife,
yeah,
is my wife.
Right.
His mother is also my wife. I don't say.
So can you work that out? Come on.
And the father?
Yeah.
He real father?
You are the father.
He real father? No, I the father.
I know.
Come back and check them too.
Yeah, guys. So we're gonna come back for the fish. We have to bring the fish here to get it cut up. See the fish here. We're gonna leave it here.
King.
What's the name of it?
Kingfish.
Kingfish. They was telling me our next name. Wow.
The big old kingfish.
Wow. Is it eat good?
Very
good.
This is a mackerel.
Oh, this is mackerel?
Yeah, that's a mackerel. All of them is mackerel.
Oh. Mackerel.
King mackerel.
Krill.
But take this and give you all for sure. Go and put it on and go come back to the next piece.
I love you.
Yeah.
I love you, Alba. You see that arrangement?
Yeah.
Now come back and get to us. I go to you. Right?
Yeah.
So, go through.
How much pound is this? I just not buy that fish, small one,
Big fish.
For 200.
200, I will tell you where you get. And 15 pound of fish.
Yeah, I get
Real good. If you want to buy this right now, there's about $40 a pound. 15 by 40, that's 400. That's $600 in fish today. You get for 200.
Wow.
So you come out real.
Yeah,
You know how to make deals, you know that.
That Mike now, by Mike and I'm going out and fish.
Wow.
Go them and fish too now.
Right.
Them is go down the
That's a
islands now.
Yeah, them going outside.
15
all
pound.
outside to big one.
Yeah, they hardly anything and you gotta go back down by the food.
This 15 pound this way?
They are not nothing to season.
How much that way?
15 pounds with all the head and guts.
Yeah.
So ready, this fish is about 20 pounds.
Yeah.
Really about 20. But how I don't clean and thing it.
Yeah, you can't go to this. What do you want to buy?
Them hardy thing, boy.
Oh, you get some seasoning?
Buy no walkie day.
Yeah. I got
Right, well, in Jamaica, only don't use shadow benny.
Which one is that?
Shadow benny. Only don't use that in Jamaica.
No, which one is that one?
That you want long leaf.
Oh, long leaf. Is it?
Only don't use that over.
No. Our long leaf like scallion and thyme.
Right.
Yeah, so yours is different.
It's the same thing, you know, but that only don't use it.
Okay.
I know that for sure.
Yeah.
Let me see my shoe.
Yeah. These guys are getting some seasoning.
Oh, no.
Oh, we got none.
You sure already, right?
No bananas.
Banana.
No bananas. Small plantain. Plantain, right? Even plantain can eat, eh? I'm gonna try one of these plantains.
Put that, no, put that so. Only that.
This plantain is small. Yeah. When you can eat plantain like this, you don't have to fry it. The Jamaican one you can eat it like this. Plantain you can eat when it's right. Ah, big up man. Big up. No respect.
Don't know.
Don't know. Big pumpkin.
Veteran on the scene here.
Big veteran here.
Yeah, big veteran.
When they come by Miss Feed,
Tell him your name. Tell him your name.
This is the guy here.
Yeah.
I don't smoke weed no more, friend.
No, I not seen it. I'm not seen it.
Time business, I resign.
Jamaica, you're going.
Yeah.
Straight Jamaica.
To the world, Jamaican to the
You
world.
already know, you know.
To the world.
Hey,
This pumpkin look different.
I have it in
I crap back pumpkin.
Look at this pumpkin, guys. Look at this
Yes,
pumpkin.
it's a crap back. See the bumps? Like a crapo. Or a crapo does look?
Yeah.
That crapo back pumpkin is a more sweeter pumpkin than smooth skin.
You see, because it's so nice, it being from inside.
If I get in and see because you fucking get on there and it doesn't give me
Crapo
nothing
back.
about it. So what you see then
This
is
type of Trinidad pumpkin.
yeah.
Crapo
You going
back.
anywhere, you know. Could have that over by all in Jamaica and all to you, man.
I've never seen this one in Jamaica. Crapo back. No, never.
Frank and I didn't get one fucking seed.
Even the plantain is small.
Hold on. What's underneath you now?
A big one, but for the small one,
All of that cooking.
you can eat it as well. Just like this.
You and your one with that one is?
Now I'm gonna buy one.
I say you and your one with that.
You like that?
Yeah, that's how we eat it. I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah, good for you.
Guys, I will eat plantain like this as well. Some
When I
I don't
was
fry
a boy,
it.
I could have eaten the other day. I buy two and I spent it back on my family. When I get with this age,
can't do that.
he young still, man. He's
No, but plantain is the best way to eat it. When you fry it, yeah, it's all oil on your stomach.
No, I go fry
When
that.
you eat it, you boil it. Alright, that's good. Yeah. Whenever I'm making my sandwich, I always put the plantain on it like that. I don't fry it. You know, I don't really like fried plantain, but sometimes
I
I get
can
the
do what
fried.
you're telling you that for. When you fry plantain, you
They
waste.
kill you,
Yeah.
Not only that, the grease. The best way to do that is bake it with cinnamon on it. Sprinkle a little sugar and the cinnamon. Then the game they done and you bake that. You go tell me that. Fried plantain. And then overripe plantain.
Like sweet.
If it's sweet, you know.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah, but that passing, Frank, that
I need
passing
one
for
more.
meat.
Pull up. And you want more? Yeah. I need one more. It's sweet, man.
That passing for meat when you bake it.
Oh, you can. How much?
I cut that because the fish man behind me to get this now.
Yeah. Nice pumpkin. Oh, pay for these. How much are these?
I can't be yourself.
Huh?
Can't be yourself.
Alright, the boss cigarette.
Say go.
The boss cigarette.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's like already so that might be
Yeah. Guys, I always me. When I'm making my sandwich sometime, I got my plantain, I don't fry it. I just slice it and put it on the bread and eat it with my lettuce, cucumber, you know, cucumber. We got the small banana here. We got the sugar banana. You want to get some juice? You want to get juice to drink? Natural juice. I want a fruit. Get juice to drink. Yeah, where's the fruit? Yeah, them one. What?
Bench it.
No, not that the back one.
Nah, the one, the box.
The box one.
Box. Fruit.
Yeah. Fruta. How much is them?
$15.
How much?
15.
15?
Yeah, $5.
Oh, $5 for the one. I'm getting to know the Trinidad money. Let me get some check. Yeah. Yeah. Fruta. Thanks for it.
One thing
How much?
Yeah, better. Bosses, the officers protecting the places.
Big up. From Jamaica.
From Jamaica?
Yeah.
Which part in Jamaica?
From Kingston.
Kingston?
Yeah, I'm a YouTube vlogger.
Alright. So where is Zupa living?
I'm a YouTuber. That's
YouTuber?
Yeah, that's
right.
And YouTube. So you can check me out, Kino Life in
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Content on your YouTube?
Yeah, I do charity as well too.
Right.
Help out people in Jamaica.
Right.
And we do adventures, showcase the beauty and the positivity of the country.
Jamaica.
So that's what I do. It's strictly positivity.
Well, that's excellent, man. That's excellent. Yeah.
So I'm my first time here, because of the carnival. But I want to highlight the positivity of Trinidad.
Right.
That's what I want to show the world, because sometimes it's not the positivity they show on YouTube.
Right.
So I want the people them to see the next side of Trinidad we don't see. The beautiful side, the beach, the rivers.
Right.
That's what I'm here for, the adventure stuff.
Okay.
The cooking, the culture.
Right. Well, nice to meet you, sir.
Yes, man. Check out Kino Life. Go on YouTube now. What's your name?
Copperland.
Copperland.
PC Obey.
PC Obey. Just go on YouTube now. See, you got your phone.
Kino?
Yeah, Kino.
Right.
Life in Jamaica.
Alright.
And you will see.
I will make sure I do that.
Yeah, man.
Good to see you.
Alright, man.
Take care.
Alright, bless, man. Yes, that is it. Listen, God. Listen.
That way you see this, I'm first time I've seen it in a while.
Yeah.
Police walking on the main road.
Yeah.
Years ago, you would have normally see those things.
Yeah.
I don't know as maybe it's the carnival.
Maybe it's the carnival
they
season.
decide to do it again.
Yeah.
If it's something they're looking to implement naturally again. You understand? But we used to have that police walking on the road and they walk up in the street.
Yeah.
They come up, surround the street up in the back by us. They make a block.
Yeah,
they come back down. Yeah, they used to have that.
The carnival season, man, just keeping the place safe. Okras. These are the okras. Good ones.
No, look at that bag here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
These are original bananas.
I don't know, man. You can't say that.
Can't tell, right? Doesn't look like it.
You look like original,
No.
That's the same thing when you do.
These are original bananas. Are the greenhouse ones.
You look like the greenhouse.
Greenhouse.
It's ripened perfect, so you see the stick on it, yeah?
Yeah.
Like foreign.
Yeah, the foreign. Same thing in the same thing in Jamaica. They're selling these foreign bananas. No good. Like the foreign, hello, like that.
Everywhere is pure foreign bananas here in the Caribbean, you see? In Jamaica, you see the St. Mary stickers. Yeah. Getting some seasoning for the fish. Hot pepper. How much you want?
That's right. You do my dinner. Yeah, brother. What's up, bro? Side boy, you know side from? Side. I like to feel it in the fridge. You need to have a feel. Outside, brother? Hot pepper, you want pepper? Much you like? One.
Scallion. You got thyme with that as well?
Yes, time. Now look at our food.
They put thyme on it.
You get fine time on it.
Scallion and thyme.
Yes,
Oh, it wasn't taping all the time?
It wasn't taping.
But I say a paint on that. Are you taping him and taping? And in the morning I'm taping and taping.
Yeah. Alright, big boss. Big up. Let me get a piece of that pineapple.
Yeah, that been off.
I'll buy a piece of pine.
Piece of pine?
Pineapple. You can get the peel, right? Buy the pine.
But you gotta peel it yourself and then you chug.
Oh, you go peel it for you?
Nah, he don't have a peel. You peel any pine like this? Nah, you peel it. Alright, you don't find that. You look at it, you don't know which one you people.
How much? £3. What? 30.
So like 10 a pound? Daddy, you grow them pistachio yourself? Pistachio from St. Vincent. Alright.
Oh, that's peanuts. Peanuts.
Yeah, well, peanut, but we just call them pistachio.
Okay, push it.
But pistachio is actually the
right
smaller with the harder shell.
We can't get us one over there, you worry.
How much that? Same.
You want to see bottom now? You want to see bottom now?
Oh, right.
And I want you to take that one. That one is better. What do you think?
What do you think?
I think we're not supposed to go.
Alright, man. Big up.
Hey, you want that cucumber too?
Nah, we don't need that no, but cucumber, no trouble.
Big up. Manners. Tuna.
Watch it, these here. What coming? These are kind of season. These are come with the pepper and thing. And these are the normal one here. It's water,
Okay.
the water.
This one.
It's oil too. Yeah, oil.
This is the one that I use back home. I always get 3 of them for now. I always make sandwich with these with bread.
Yeah, I do. I open that, squeeze a lime on it.
Yeah.
Put some mayonnaise in it sometime.
And
Add the seasoning and just put it in the bread.
Yeah. That's how I do it. Alright. Blessed Rasta man. Good man.
I say the same tuna out in Jamaica.
Yeah, you see. You want?
How much for the tree?
That is 42.
40.
Yeah.
How much? Orange juice? How much is this?
20. Yeah. 17. I give back it in.
Yeah. Got a bag?
Yeah, that went out a little thing.
Guys, the money that is easy.
Yeah. And?
17 Guys, the money that is very easy to use as well. So, very, very easy to use. Yeah.
Where's your blog affiliate?
Kino Life in Jamaica. Check it out.
Yeah, I mean, that I don't know.
KINO. Yes, man. It's nice. My first time here in Trinidad.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
It's nice, you know. I like
nice
it.
Place,
I like it.
Carnival, everything. Yeah. Yes, that's nice.
Right at the top.
Yeah, click on it one time. Subscribe. Right.
There you go. So
Right?
you know you ain't gonna miss anything. Big up, man. Respect. That is it. Give yourself a shout out. Tell them where the shop is.
Yeah, these bagel shop at the corner of Corey Street. They go Martin. I don't know. Come here and get everything.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Big up. So guys, we are in Diego Martin, right at the corner shop here in George's. You know you can't go wrong. Blessing Rasta.
Yeah, so them the barber shop and the clothes and thing on the
Next door.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Everything
okay, so you have the barber shop here and clothes. Everything in one. Well, in here cool. Where you can come and get your ear cut. So you got the clothes and everything. Barber shop. Everything in one. Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah. Let them know in some Jamaicans teach me to cut here 2 out in foreign. Yeah. Yeah, 2 Jamaicans, brothers.
That is
2
it.
brothers, yeah.
That is
so
it.
keep up the chain and
of course.
still doing the thing.
Still doing it.
Yeah, man.
That is it. I'm gonna come back and give you a next link.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Prepare. Okay, so you're just gonna just prepare that.
Yeah, peel the potato and then the seasoning.
We're doing outside.
We can do it outside.
Yeah, the outside will be nice. Yeah. Outdoor cooking. Yeah. Out there.
You get the fish cut up everything? So this thing we put on big set of like garlic and things seasoned on it.
Alright, so guys, so look at this guys. This is, you know, earlier when you see us went to go get the pine. Right, so this is what they've done with the pine. So explain to me what's in there.
Well, first ingredients as you say pine.
Yeah.
There's salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, regular pepper. Where's this thing by garlic?
Yeah.
And nice of it. The water you see is from the pineapple natural juices. When you're done drinking that, it tastes sweet and seasoned up nice.
Wow. So this is the man that done it. So what's the name? What you call this here in Trinidad?
Chow.
Chow.
Chow on the whole could consist of anything. Mango chow,
Just show Mark now, just
plum chow,
you try to make it work easy.
pineapple chow, cucumber chow.
Wow, guys, tell me if you ever had chow before like this. This is my first time gonna try chow. Wow. Wow. Hold on. Guys, I need to try this chow. Yeah, he's gonna try as well too. Can't hold it. Hold on, guys. It's the first time I'm gonna try this chow. You can see all the seasoning as well too. What's the green one?
like save. All the season you know pick up at that thing.
Yeah, the scallion.
Ginger, save, shadow benny.
Wow.
Ginger, save, shadow benny, thyme, garlic.
Yeah.
All the season.
Yes, guys, this is different. This is different. This is nice. Whoa! Okay, look. This is nice. This is really, really different. All the seasoning, the pepper, the scallion, the you put all-purpose like seasoning?
Nah, no pack seasoning. Everything there's fresh seasoning. Ginger, garlic. It had nothing there from it. Only thing they pack is the pepper.
The pepper, cayenne pepper.
Yeah, powdered cayenne.
Powdered cayenne.
Yeah.
And guys, he's a vegetarian as well, like me. So he's living the vegetarian life. And you guys need to join the vegetarian boat. You know, don't let the boat sail left you. And this is nice. My first time, you know, trying different culture. Different culture, man. This is nice. Squid. This is nice. Come on, guys. You used to eat as well, because I'm gonna eat it off.
Well, nothing wrong with that. Nothing is wrong with that, brother. That's what you came for.
Yeah, man. Get
That's
in.
what you came for, brother.
Get in. You're not eating? Come on. Yeah, man.
The best part
Yeah.
is the sauce. Because you know you say nutriments, everything down in the sauce, they know all the juice. Kushu maybe just call that. Marinate.
Marinate. Wow.
Drinking that after.
You mean you're drinking after?
Where's that? The sauce?
Yeah. Nice.
Pineapple sweet on that.
Everything in there fresh, you know. That no water, you know. That water from the save and the.
So that is the water from the pineapple. Wow. See, trying different culture food. Never in my life I had something like this. In Jamaica, we just eat the pine as how it is, just so. You peel it, you eat it.
And most people don't know that. You see pineapple, you see one way we have to be sucking right, China doesn't want to show you.
Frank.
China,
Come in, Frank.
fucking power. Them things are soap in the sauce.
Frank, what's going on?
Pineapple. I see that phone ringing just now.
Which one's mine?
It sound like
man.
It's my
That was
phone. Yeah, mine.
that was yours.
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
This is real nice, bro.
Frank, don't tell me you're right.
Is the fish ready?
But I thought he say he leave his phone home. Alright, 2 spots, cokes. And by
Who cooks?
Is the fish ready yet? To go pick up?
yeah.
So we can go and pick it up,
You
right?
drinking, Frank?
Wow. This is nice.
I want this juice. You see this juice down in here?
Hey, sir, you call Frank.
That's the better thing here, man.
Chow, right? Chow.
No, fucking more.
It's a scallion. What is red one?
We in Jamaica do this.
No.
Frank! But your phone
the
ain't
pine.
Wi-Fi one.
I will eat it exactly how it is.
Natural.
Natural. None
No
of this.
additives.
No additive. So this is something new to me, boy.
Huh? I don't know, it's a long time.
Yes. So guys, traveling, you get to experience, you know, new, different type of things you never had in your country. You know, I'm definitely gonna try this when I'm back home in Jamaica.
Yes, you see what I'm doing
You
here?
know,
You soak in the piece. So they get to the sauce juicy.
everything.
You gonna make this when you go back home?
I'm gonna make this.
You can introduce them to this.
Of course.
If you want, you could even bag this sauce
And bring it.
and cry it home. So go get the taste. And let's dip your pineapple. That way you just normally do buy pineapple and just chew it back in there. All the way to know is a woo! Salt food, that's all it is. Salt food, you want salt in there?
Sometimes something I get too salty.
That is nice, guys.
What's that one? Wow.
That is it. That is it, guys. That is it. I cannot leave it alone.
One break off and one of the soak it on it. So once they pay back, they go clip. Pepper just right too, eh?
The cayenne pepper. Guy got the cayenne pepper inside it as well.
We're gonna find your regret.
The cayenne pepper, the garlic, scallion, the thyme, and pepper as well too. Scotch bonnet pepper as well too. Imagine that. All natural seasoning.
Want some now, right? See ya.
Yes guys, so we're back to pick up the fish. Yeah, so we're back here to pick up the fish.
Nice slice, man. Want it thinner, yes?
Yeah, thin.
Can't cut this thin, mister. This is a frozen fish. You know, cut that thin and mash up.
Don't mash up earlier, don't
Mad. The kingfish, you know, where you finish this?
No, that's nothing.
This is king. You tell me?
Big fish. I thought you cut the fish up already.
Nah, I got it thaw out.
The thaw.
Well, mash up. Yeah,
That's it, no cutting the right slice.
Yeah.
No cutting
Take your fucking time. You want to mash up the fish? I want to get a nice slice. Want the barbecue?
No, you gotta give it fish, you gotta give it.
No grill?
I give my neighbors and them some slices.
That's a good scene. That's a very good scene. That scene is like kerosene.
Very big fish.
Very big fish. Well big. Cut my head there, just say mash up my blade.
Yeah.
You see how you handle everything now?
What the fucking big head was in there?
Yeah.
You mash up the blade?
Yeah, mash up the handle. Bang, bang, bang.
Granted, down some them flies,
I want to know, flies are a good thing.
Really?
People only, they only tell you flying can face by spray. Go Africa, you see fly.
Yeah.
See what I'm flying?
Bust the bones. The bones them are pop.
Pop the bone, man.
Pop the bones. That's true.
Open some in a white bag.
It's still like fishmen like you to do the work for them and all. Fishmen like
Then you not fish, man.
they like you to do the work for
You not that fish, man. Hope you're brushing all them girls on them. I got fish, man. Fish I like. Whoop. Nice slice. Nice slice. Tell mash up already. Father say that.
it was freeze that if you can't stop that.
Don't tell you wahoo's a fish, they don't cut up wahoo, so I was feeling.
Nice. It's like, look like sliced fish.
Yes. And?
Looks like sliced fish in Jamaica.
Nice slice.
I said looks like the sliced fish in Jamaica.
Alright, thinner than this one.
Right. But you are my master, watch how big that slice is, it's bigger than all. That is slice I tell you what's in it. When I see that one, I swear you gotta get it too.
You want to see the shark? Big shark. This is the shark right here. Shark. This is the shark right here. Big fish. Shark. It's a shark coming.
I know one of my daughter want to come and cut up fish. We cut up fish.
Yes, Martin with Martin and the corner here boy over boy. Martin out.
I love that man.
Yeah, brother.
Nice.
I'm gonna
ready with the shark fin.
Yeah.
Shark fin soup. So we're ready now. We got the meat. We got everything's ready.
Nah, the potato.
Yeah. Here, boss, a race. Yo, this. Hey, yo, he's the fastest man in Trinidad. Eh? Come, he's the fastest man in Trinidad.
Fastest 110 hurdler.
110 hurdler?
Yeah.
Wow. Tell him your name.
Ruben Walters.
Ruben, you run for Trinidad? Okay, so guys, this is Ruben Waters, fastest man right here. 110 hurdles for Trinidad.
Is it?
Is it?
I pray.
So guys, so what do you think? I should give him a run? You know? Remember my legs them tall now, Usain Bolt, you know. What you say?
What you think, brother?
What you say? Come guys, we give him a run. We'll give him a run. Come. I'm up there. Come. We're ready for this. Eh?
You're gonna be bad, boy.
Them Jamaicans gonna run too.
Yeah. I was tall, right? Guys, we can play football, run, everything.
I don't like you don't meet me now.
Yeah?
Yeah, you looking at embarrassment then?
I run in slippers.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You don't embarrass yourself, man.
Going from there.
Yeah, there you go.
Go, coming down? Yeah. Catching that?
Yeah. I know to zoom in and them thing, man, you know?
What's your Ruben gonna show up on you?
You wanna touch it, that one, we're not there. After this on top of you. You zoom in. Dog, you go zoom in and thing after, right?
Yeah.
You go zoom in and thing after? Yeah. Watch yourself from there. Yeah. On the mat. Set. Go.
Bad boy. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, you kept up.
Yeah.
It's a close one, you know?
Yeah.
Finals tomorrow, so they will semi-finals.
Exactly.
You'll get it so long tomorrow.
So it's a close one saying, well, tomorrow is the final. Just warming up. You know? Yeah. Hey, give them a shout out for your IG.
Yeah, man, IG Ruben Walters _ so it's RUEDIN Walters.
Alright.
No, brother.
So check him out, guys. You know?
Yes, sir.
He's the 110 hurdler for Trinidad. And look, me, the runner for Trenchtown. Tell me I done well, right? I done well. I used to run as well. I do everything. I got medal for running, you know, in school and everything. So I got it, but I just never follow it up. So I'm jack of all trade. People used to call me jack of all trade, master of none. But it's good, at least I can do everything. That is it. So this is the fish blending up. Yeah, we'll get some drink. Magnum. Yeah, Magnum. Drink Magnum. Drink Magnum.
Yeah, each and every one.
Each and every one. Yeah, man, give you a case of Magnum squid.
Lick 'em on. Lick 'em on.
So guys, so this is the seasoned, well marinated. You can put the season them and everything, so it's gonna roast it. And you have the okra here. You know, the okra and everything. The Trinidadian style. So you have what's it, the same scallion, onion, thyme, pepper.
Yeah. Same thing.
Same thing.
But we now eating the chow and then the potato and the.
Okay.
You realize the potato kind of greenish.
Yeah, yeah.
That's from the
Oh, so you add this in the potato.
yeah.
Seasoned potato. You need to have a restaurant, man.
Nice. I sell something.
You're selfish. Of course. Okay. Wonder why. You're talented, man. Very talented. So you're gonna wrap them, right?
This is what I do. I just make a pack a package and put it in the package. So I usually room for sauce and everything.
Okay, so let's put it inside it.
Yeah, you go see how I do this.
Okay.
I make a bag now.
Make a bag with the foil.
Oh, a bag.
Yeah.
Then.
So when you get a bag,
Gone, everything is inside it.
that's what we will do.
Tell me, I got the platinum, I got the last thing. Platinum, mind me.
What's it?
That's the bag there now.
Yeah.
So it's
Platinum,
good.
Okay, so put it inside the bag.
Put the fish in it. Put in some more crop.
Okay. And put it in.
Wow.
Come right.
I roasted for 15 minutes now. I got the platinum now. They put on 2 to roast 1 time.
Yeah.
We're going to see how you're coming over.
Yeah, bring it right over here. Over here. Bring it from fry. So, play. Just imagine, man. So, you get a whole radio delivery. People call you and order.
People just come and buy. People call and order.
Yeah.
And people just come and buy too.
Yeah.
Shrimp is how much?
I do shrimp too.
You shrimp.
Yeah, just like this.
You need to give them your contact number, man, where they can call you,
Just
promotion.
Like yeah, well, I have a flyer now, so I'm posting the flyer.
Yeah, okay, so bring me the flyer so I can show them it on the video. So you can see. Trust me, it's talented, it's bad. You see the potato, even the pineapple, with the, that's going worldwide. That is going to sell worldwide.
It's seasoned up nice.
Yes. Real nice. So that's the bag. You put it inside like that.
Yeah.
Must put some of that.
Yes.
Put some seasoning in, yeah.
Okay.
Put that okra.
Close it up. Pull it.
The platin. Yeah. Nah, just the platin out again. We're going to fire the ounce.
See, just like that, like a packet.
Package and seal, man.
Well packaged and sealed.
Now don't take
We
this.
outside. We outside. So
We
well
on the
packaged
outside.
and sealed. So the stove coming in. That is it. Well packaged and sealed.
Don't you want it?
Your stove setting up. Well packaged and sealed. Did they have a table?
We try and get it. Gotta get a piece of board and fun. This upside down. Upside down.
Upside down. Come on, Magnum promotion all over. Magnum fish. Is that a piece of board there? Is that big enough? Oh, get a piece of board. Squid, how you sell the Magnums?
Huh?
This is the thing.
That's the thing.
Yeah. So look at the stove. Fryer.
Water.
And you put water on top.
Nah, they got water. Put the boil on next side of the sun.
Oh. That's how you do it. So this is how they do it. I'm trying to run from the breeze. Yes. You want the mashed potato out?
Yeah, you can bring it out.
No, I want to spin it. I want to spin it. I can't keep on. Drink up, spin. Drink up for your alcohol. Hold up. Right. We good here. Rest everything.
And I guess I'm
Yeah. Not too much bouncing and it's good. So we have Magnum loaded up with the Magnums. So that's what they drink mostly in Trinidad, Magnums.
Yeah, well, Magnum, Stag. I mean, this Magnum boss, you can't bring no Stag by Magnum to drink.
That is true.
You understand? So, you have to respect the man too.
Yes. You cannot bring no Stag to the Magnum yard. Can never. So if you're in here, you're drinking. If you don't drink Magnum,
you not drink Magnum.
You have to drink it.
You can leave.
Yes. Cannot come here. So you put the water over it.
Oh. You see, that's how it was bloated.
Yeah.
It go burst.
Oh.
The fish go burn on one side, so the water is kind of cooler down and help it cook them.
Oh,
see how the top of it, and the water hit it, simmer down.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. See, simmering down. Yes, there's water. So go right down.
There's no time to flip. Leave it, yeah. There's no time to flip, yeah, tight time when it comes on food.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Look, it's swelling up again.
Yeah.
Need to try this time.
Leave it.
Put it in the pot.
No, I ain't flipping it, brother. That's something.
What food again is this?
Huh?
What food making the bag too?
Yeah.
Shooting. So this is the outdoor cooking. And we gas stove, we put it's like a plate. We put on top one metal plate. You know, so this metal plate now is what everything takes place. Where's your flyer? You got your flyer? Huh? Your flyers. So here them drink. So we say Magnum they drink in the yard. All Magnum. And we have the potato here. The potato is right here, so you see that inside. So you have to keep on put the water on it so it don't burst. So you go right back down. Fire too high. So would it be better if you put like a fork hole, 3 hole inside it?
Yeah.
No.
The sauce can come out.
How the sauce come out?
What is fire?
Here's the fish well marinated over here. Well marinated. There's no powder season, right?
No powder seasoning, nothing from pack. Nothing in there is from pack.
Okay. Yeah, so there's no powder season, nothing at all. So it's all grown, everything fresh, all grown season.
And you see the fish is not a fish or season up yesterday. The fish no season.
Okay.
You see we now collect the fish and the season up one time.
One time.
So it's well up.
I don't.
That's cooking going on, man.
Yeah. Well on.
I know you're going over home with that style.
Of course.
That style.
Yeah, of course. Outdoor we're doing this. Making the bags, then make sure they must a good size. They fold from one side to the next side.
Iron chef, the right way. When you cook in your hand, it get like steel.
Yeah.
Hard. Get fucking ready.
Yeah,
my soul, I flipping fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, your hand is get different.
I did this nothing.
Yeah.
Your hand is get like steel.
How long it normally take? 15 minutes? Is it like 15 minutes?
Yeah, but you see how that fire high there?
Yeah.
I'm going to do it for 12.
12. The fire really high.
There's no cooking going on in there. What's the thing about that fire?
No, see that?
Everybody likes it just at a low moderate speed.
Not
too high. They feed the bees, that we're watching too.
That is it.
Yeah,
that is fire, we are ready.
That's bubbly.
Yeah. Cooking.
Yeah, text through them, I check weekend, oh boy. On the.
Alright, so guys, so here it is now. Moments. Wow. Really nice, all natural seasoning. Look at the mashed potato.
That's right. Yeah.
Jeez.
Nice one.
Star.
Yeah.
Star. Mashed potato there. Wow.
I was walking on, but when I tell me
After I go take one time.
Yeah. So this is the mashed potato. It uses seasoning. He uses seasoning for this mashed potato. Wow. So this is a tester.
Tip in it?
Yeah,
You can't eat and tip.
you hold it. Hold it good.
Going ahead? That's
Alright guys, so see you guys, so look, I'm gonna taste, let me see which is so yes guys, so look, moments of truth.
Yes, right, brother.
You know, you see you have the okra, the mashed potato with the seasoning and the mashed potato. You know, let's go with the mashed potato first. Yeah. It's the only one in there, but in the kitchen. So this is it guys. Come on this way. What do you like? Right. Trinidad. Guys, you know what I said? Not because I'm on camera, I'm not going to tell no lie. You know, this is something else. Yeah, this guy got some touch. This mashed potato is really nice. You know, with the okra and everything. And all he uses is the first season. You know, that's all he uses is the first season with the okra. Look. Woo! Woo!
All I drink, man.
What I think, Squid, I never see that thing on the bus here.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to try the fish now.
What's this here?
But the fish name again, Wahoo.
Wahoo.
Wahoo. So this is Wahoo. So we're trying
Wahoo, brother.
Wow. First time
Big fish.
trying this Wahoo. Wahoo. What it tastes like? That's different.
I say you want to answer.
That man have a problem with everything, boy. We're going to tea, boy.
This is nice. Guys, this is nice. Wow.
Why you hungry, boy? Since I tell you hungry.
Oh, yes, sir. Like it is, not since yesterday.
Yeah.
Everything I kick to the boy.
No powder season. This is no powder season. Just straight ground. Tell them the seasoning that on it. Tell them the seasoning that on it. You got the scallion,
Garlic, shudder bunny, ginger,
pimentos, thyme. We all blend it up, right?
Yeah, everything blend up.
Everything blend up, guys. Look. This is nice.
All I go down just now.
Yes?
I want me to smoke, boy.
And you're hungry?
I eat yet? I went and got 2 cigarettes. I have paper.
Nice.
I want to smoke. I weed. What you moving on to yeah, we take out everything in the light for them here.
Yeah, man, this is nice. Oh, yeah, come this side. Come this side. They like a shit. Guys, this is nice. This is nice. No, Frank, bad, nice.
Right, once you happy, we happy. Number one.
First time eating this fish. This minute I remember the name, next minute I don't. Wow.
Wahoo, man.
Yes, I'm call it Wawa.
Yes.
Yeah, no Wahoo. So Wahoo. Ahoo.
You forget the name.
Wow. It's so nice. I forgot the name twice.
Deep sea. Kingfish.
Yeah. So this is a deep sea kingfish. No?
Wahoo. Also known as
Kingfish. Deep sea kingfish.
Rex, you doing any far?
Where?
No. I just sweat it.
Chef, where's your flyers? Need the flyers, man.
You gonna make weed out of shoe, you know.
Do what you have to do, cause you have eyes are my man. So I Spanish me. And all I'm doing is cleaning up my bank account. You see the money I spend in this, so why Spanish I get it? No excuse for the road, if you don't want to come, it's a Spanish on the road. If you want to say, oh, you want to come, it's a Spanish on the road.
Avenue. Alright, so this is it, right?
It will function. We squid look at the guy here. You pass them all on the avenue.
Okay.
You're good, man. You don't have to worry about.
Alright, so this is it.
What's up?
Say your contact number. Contact number is what? 275-7300, right?
Yeah, correct.
And give the area code first. So what's the area code first?
1868.
1868.
Yeah,
So it's 1868. So the contact number is 1868-275-7300. So anyway you want the jumbo shrimp, kingfish, roast and fry. You know that's what, $50? Yeah.
At a higher price than 50. But
yeah, the mashed potatoes. Oh, so it just give us
price. That price is coming to us. That $50 is coming to us.
So it just give the specials. So there's a special in always did, right?
Yeah, you come to us, you get it at our price. You want something private, you deal with the boss, and he will cut our price here.
Exactly.
And it's that.
And trust me, you know I'm not lying when it comes on to food.
Style.
You know, I'm not lying, saying you need to shout him, call him, you know, private hire if you want him come cook for party, weddings, reception, you name it. Dance anywhere at all, just call him for bookings. I understand, you get the best roast fish right here, and just barbecue, name it, everything, birthday, party, anything at all, you can call him for hire.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Creole Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.